Now today I'm going to introduce you something called the voltage divider. A voltage divider is an electronic component. It divides the voltage. Okay, so what's happening is if I have a 240 volts power supply and I have a device, okay, and the device doesn't wants to 240 volts, it wants something smaller. Okay, what I can do is I can use a voltage divider. Okay. It's basically two resistance connected in series, okay, as shown. So if I connect resistance 2 to the device parallelly, okay, now the device and the resistor 2 would have the same voltage. Okay, and by designing the value of R1 and R2, I can actually manage how much voltage I want to divide it into. Okay. But normally what's happening is there's something called the variable resistor. Okay. It's like a switch I show you guys later. So if I replace R1 with a variable resistance as shown, okay, and if I change the value of the resistance of the variable resistor, then I can change the value of the voltage of the device. Okay. Normally it's drawn like this. Okay. It has an output. So in the question, okay, so if they ask you to find the output, okay, basically they're asking to find it should be the same as the voltage across, okay, R2. Okay. So the idea was a voltage divider looks like this. Okay. So we can connect the output with the device. Okay. Okay. Now here are some pictures of the a variable resistor. Okay. So as you can see, this is very well, sorry, this is an old-fashioned variable resistor. You can turn the screws on the top, so the value of the resistance changes. Okay, and if you want to have a look, there are many different designs. They all changes. Okay, yep. If you have a look at a voltage divider, takes a few minutes. Yep. So here are the designs of voltage dividers. Okay, they're all similar. They do the same thing. But if I show you a real picture, something. Yeah, here is a modern one. It's a modern voltage divider, but it looks like that. Okay, it has more components in it, and yeah, and it's very common. Perhaps you can find it in your computers, in your in a lot of electronic devices. Okay, if you open up the circuit board, somehow you find a voltage divider, okay, and they all looks different. Okay, just let me um, re just let me to say this again. So um, a voltage divider, what's happening is if you adjust uh, the value of the resistor 1 here, okay, you adjust the output, okay, and it's very common, yeah, especially in year 12s. You do a lot of questions regarding the voltage divider, okay.